Hi, and welcome to today's 90 Seconds of XRP. Stay tuned to know today's XRP news. Neither XRP buyback nor confiscation are possible, Matt Hamilton explains. XRP can't be confiscated by government, says ex-Ripple director. Here are true reasons why. XRP is a decentralized cryptocurrency and cannot be seized without forcing key holders. It is easier for the government to create its own digital token if needs it for its own use. If the US government restricts everyone from using XRP, it would kill any use of the token, and it would simply be replaced by a fork. XRP's total trading volume on all of the cryptocurrency exchanges on which it is listed has risen by nearly 30% in the past 24 hours. XRP up 28% in trading volume amid major inflation report. The figure currently stands at $2.2 billion, representing 11.7% of the token's current market capitalization. Whales continue to shovel astounding sums in crypto and XRP in particular. Hundreds of millions of XRP on move, 262 million in single lump. Possible reason: 370 million XRP shoveled as whales remain interested in XRP. You can see XRP price. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss my daily 90 seconds of XRP.